Turn your magic on. With me, she'd say everything you want to dream away. We are legends every day. That's what she told me. Turn your magic on. To me, she'd say everything you want to dream away. Under this pressure, under this weight, we are diamonds. And I feel my heart beating.
What did you do? What did you exchange?
I exchanged the pen for the same pen, and then we have 6 lollipops on the side. Tell me that's not business, bro. And
It's like you're always stuck in the second gear when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to pour. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be
Exchange the amazing pen
Yes.
for even more exquisite, amazing pen. But
Perfect.
bed at 10. Your work began at 8. You burned your breakfast so far. Things are going great.
только что ваш пришли, да.
It just says you have another group here already.
You want to join in our game? 2x.
Merci.
Շնորհակալություն։
Իսկական կաշի է այդ դրամապանակը։ Կարակ տենց 5000 ծախ։ Merci. Hours?
Flowers or everything?
Put everything. Սիդա։ Ահա։ Կարաս։
Բարև ձեզ։ Merci.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Good job. Hey, Chris.
Exchange for these two things.
You look concerned. Fancy.
I'm gonna not take your phone.
Yeah, that's nice. Okay, that's
Okay.
Like the shoulders or
Gerek mi jest?
we're on a mission. It's really funny. You're gonna laugh. We have
Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So it's
For one pen, we got some fruits, and we decided to give every fruit to exchange for something else. And now, from one pen, we already have one pen, a lot of fruits, and one
Notebook.
notebook. Yeah.
We can do skates and it's okay.
Maybe we can take one of these. Can we take one of these?
Yeah. Thank you. Woohoo. Thank you.
All we ask for is a small gift in exchange for these wonderful fruits. So, going there? Yeah, so you yeah. And
Oh, good job.
Bravo.
two cakes. Thank you very much.